everyone, this is Abby. I'm the communications manager here at Vision Care Connect, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of creating a good landing page. So a landing page is a critical factor in your lead generation. It usually serves to capture your users' contact information through lead capture or conversion forms. Your landing page should be a direct reflection of your advertisement and include more information for the visitor. Directing your leads to a specific landing page opposed to your home page is going to increase the likelihood that your user will become one of your patients one day. So if you were to send them just to your home page, there may be more of a disconnect in that the user didn't get to see directly from the ad to a landing page that kind of reflects the same language. The home page, they'd have to search for the answers that they are looking for. So when visitors view your page, they should be able to get a feel for what you do, who your brand is, and how you can benefit them within the first 45 seconds. So it's really important to include your incentives or the things that you can gift to them, whether it be a free consultation or a certain discount, and including deadlines or expiration dates on those give them a reason or call to action in order to pursue or proceed with the consultation. Lastly, each landing page should target a specific audience. Whether it comes from an email marketing campaign or a Facebook advertising campaign, your landing pages should be a direct reflection of the message or goal that you are trying to send to your visitor. And it should be cohesive with the message presented in the advertisement. But thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our page.